Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get to the double folder in Office Sim and find the folders. So get started. So in order to get the double folder, from the spawn point right over here, you want to exit out of this main room and head over to the top left corner where there is the manager's office. Now once you're here at the manager's office, you want to actually enter the office. And in order to do that, you want to input the code 616. So right over there, after you put in the code 616, the manager's office should open up and you should be able to enter right over here. Now once you're in the office right over here, you want to jump on the desk right over here and grab this access card. So over there, once you touch it, it should appear at the bottom right over here. And also, if you've already gotten it at least once, you can always access it right over here using the backpack on the right side, and then going to the sword right over here on the left, and then you can equip it right over here in the inventory, so you don't always have to go back to the office every single time. But once you have the card, you're going to exit back out of this office area and then head back to the spawn room right over here. Now once you're at the spawn room right over here, you will actually need to go into these elevators, and you will need to do two different things to actually go inside. The first thing is you want to use this card right over here and swipe it right over here on the right side. As you can see, it turned from red to green, so that means that it worked. And now you want to do the same thing for this left side right over here. And for this one, you want to actually put in a specific code. And the code is up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right. So after you put in up, up, down, down, left, right, this should turn from red to green, and you should be able to enter the elevator. And now once you're here, you want to enter the perpetuity floor, which is floor 243. So you want to enter 243 into the elevator, and it should take you to the perpetuity floor. Then once you're here at the perpetuity floor, you want to keep going until you reach the perpetuity wing building right over here. Now once you're at the building right over here, you want to keep going straight forward and head over to the center of this building. And then right over here at the center, you want to head over to the right side right over here where there is the custodian's office. Now if you notice right over here, there is this little keypad that you need to input a code, and there are only 4 squares. Now the way to actually figure out this code is right over here on the outside of the perpetuity building, you want to locate the outer walls. So over here on the outer walls of the building, we do have these kind of weird line symbols. Just looking at them right over here, it might be kind of difficult to understand what is actually happening here. But if you look closely, this is actually a very similar shape to what we just saw with the keypad. We have these squares right over here, which there were 4 of them on the keypad. So imagine these are the 4 squares on the keypad. And then right over there is that white section where you put in the numbers. So these kind of resemble the keypad, just with a few lines missing. And right over there, the keypad code was 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the keypad, when you press the buttons, they would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's the same thing here. So going from left to right, the first one here in this square would be 3, then it would be 2, then it would be 3 here, then 2, and then here this would be the 1, and this would be 4. So imagine this was the full keypad, and the buttons were here. The ones that are fully squared out here are the ones that count. So our code is 323214. So you remember that and head back to the custodian's office. So over here, once you're at the custodian's office, you want to put in that code that we just saw outside. So you want to put in 32321 and after you put in that code, you can press the green button, and the custodian's office should open up right over here. So over here, once you're in the custodian's office, the double folder is actually on the right side right over here, up near the ceiling. So you want to make your way up to that area. Then you can climb these little shelves here to make it a little bit easier for yourself, and then from here you can just climb this shelf as well. And then once you do touch it over there in the ceiling, it should appear in your inventory. So yeah, hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys, and you're able to get the double folder in Office Sim, find the folders. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!